I'm going to help you decide the Neo or the Flip. So much nightmares, so much frustration, they will start coming to harass you. I was shocked. It's insane. This camera is the professional grade. They don't think it's dangerous. They don't think it's something that will hit them, will cut them. So much troubleshooting. Sometimes you have to restart your phone. You wait another 5 minutes. You're going to get the best drone experience. Yo, crazy Superman here. What is going on? Hamster number 7. Dropping bombs. Dropping bombs. Dropping bombs. Today, in this video, I'm going to help you decide whether to buy the DJI Neo or the DJI Flip. If you are thinking of buying a new drone, it's very important you get under 250 grams. The reason is very simple. Once you get drone that's over 250 grams, you're gonna have to take classes, get license, and then when you are not careful, doing something wrong, you're gonna get fined, get reported, you can get into all kinds of trouble. First of all, you have to pay a lot of money for the drone, right? Second, you could be getting into trouble. But if you are getting the Neo or the Flip, because they are under 250 grams, you don't have to take classes, get license. It's just a toy. However, toy, they can do some incredible shots. Like, you can make really awesome video with this. Let's say you're going on a trip, taking a holiday, you play in the park. These are very good tool to record all your adventures. The advantage of DJI Neo. Neo, as you can see here, is much smaller in comparison with DJI Flip. This is important whenever you are in the area with lots of people. Let's say in the park, there are many kids playing. And let's say you take out something very big, like DJI Flip, right? Some people, they are not normal. They could get scared. They could get offended. And then they will start coming to harass you. I mean, I have several experience with that. When I first got the DJI Neo, I was shocked because I tried to avoid people. Instead, kids, parents were coming to me and they were watching me flying. First of all, I tried to avoid them, but then they were coming because it's so tiny, it's so small, and the prop are guarded, protected, so they don't feel it's that bad. They don't think it's dangerous. They don't think it's something that will hit them, will cut them. When people around you feel safe about what you're doing, you will be getting less trouble. On the other hand, the advantage of the DJI Flip is the camera. Look at the camera. This camera is the professional grade. It's using the Mini Pro 4 camera. The video you're getting from this, photo, panoramic, 360 degree, it's insanely good. I'm not saying that DJI's Neo's camera is no good, just in comparison. I mean, if your focus is social media and just sharing with friends, the DJI Neo's video is good enough. But if you want to put on big TV, you want to have professional grade quality video production, then you have to go with the DJI Flip. Here, I don't recommend another model by DJI. It's 249 grams, the Mini Pro 4. The reason is missing the palm control. Like with this, I can use my palm to take off. I can use my palm to land, and you don't need a remote controller. So it's very beginner friendly. Depending on your lifestyle, do you want something small or you want something better video and photo quality? Now, the advantage of the small, besides not scaring people, it's very easy for you to carry around. It's very easy, super compact to pack. Like, all I need is a tiny case like this. I throw it in and I can fit into any kind of a bag, like a hard case for protection. Now, with the Flip, you're able to fold it up so that when you fold it up, it doesn't look so big. However, once you open up, it's still kind of big. They make it portable, but it is still big. One tip for the DJI Neo is that when you decide to buy this one, you must get the Fly More combo. The reason is the battery on the Neo is very tiny, super tiny, small. Each one is saying for 16 minutes, but actually you will be only getting around 12-13 minutes. So you have 6 minutes to fly away, 6 minutes you have to come back. With DJI Neo, you must get the Fly More combo. Now, with the DJI Flip, because the battery already at 31 minutes. So you really don't need a fly more combo. Fly more combo, it look like you have more battery, it's fun, but then you have so many things to carry around. You know, I like to keep it simple. If you go for DJI Flip, just get the one drone, one battery, that's good enough. With DJI Neo, it's really a FPV drone where you can put on goggles and use the drumstick to control how you fly. That's awesome. You can fly in tiny spaces, pass through forests. It's a ton of fun. If possible, financial allow, you want to get the one with goggle and the FPV motion controller, you're gonna get the best drone experience from the DJI Neo. Now, if you do decide to get the DJI Flip, you want to get the remote control with the screen, because the one without the screen, you will have a lot of trouble. I had that before and I had so much trouble. Sometimes the cable not long enough, sometimes depending on the case, you cannot plug in the plug. And your phone is running a whole bunch of other apps. So when you try to install a DJI app, sometimes it couldn't install, sometimes there's conflicts, sometimes there's crashes. And every time you try to fly, you're waiting for the launch. It's so much headache, so much troubleshooting. Sometimes you have to restart your phone, you wait another 5 minutes. If you are getting the DJI Neo, it's best to get the Fly More combo with goggle and motion control. And if you're getting the DJI Flip, get just one drone, one battery, but the controller must have screen. If you don't have screen, with a simple one, you will have so much nightmare, so much frustration. Just a little bit more money, $100, $200 more, it's totally worth it because you just need it. Once you get that one with the screen, you'll be much, much happier. This is a quick video to tell you the advantage and their disadvantage of these two drones, and hopefully this information help you make an informed decision. And like my video, thumb up, and Crazy Superman will talk to you next time. Ciao.